Good afternoon, sir. Could you please state your name and provide your date of birth?
First name's Wayne, middle name's Everett, last name's Tweed, second month, 15 days, 64.
Thank you, Mr. Tweed. And appearance from the state?
Arson Valenzuela on behalf of the state.
Thank you, Ms. Valenzuela. So, Mr. Tweed, you are here on a Superior Court new case. I find probable cause for the allegations of one count of murder in the first degree committed during a crime, which is a Class 2 felony, one count of attempted murder in the first degree during a crime, a Class 2 felony, one count of arson of an occupied structure, a Class 2 felony, one count of kidnapping, a Class 2 felony, one count of possession or use of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, one count of endangerment, a Class 6 felony, one count of possession or use of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I have appointed you an attorney, and your case will be heard at the downtown Phoenix Superior Courthouse. Ms. Valenzuela, does the state wish to be heard in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is recommending a cash-only bond of $2 million. This defendant has an exceedingly lengthy criminal history from the 80s till now. He's been doing life on the installment plan. In addition to that, he does have a previous manslaughter conviction. He has 2 prior failures to appear. He attempted to flee the police when they were trying to take him into custody in this event as well. The harm that he caused this victim against an order of protection and to not only the deceased victim, but the surviving victim, he poses a danger to that individual and to the community. For all of those reasons, we believe that a $2 million cash-only bond is appropriate.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Valenzuela. Does the state have anything further?
Not unless the court has questions.
All right. No, not at this time. Thank you, Ms. Valenzuela. So, Mr. Tweed, the state has expressed their recommendations in this case. You do have the right to remain silent if you wish. However, if you wish to be heard regarding the bond and release conditions, now would be your opportunity.
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Mr. Tweed, I am setting a cash-only bond in the amount of $2 million. Cash-only means you cannot work with a bonding company. You have to pay that amount directly. If you pay that bond, that will secure your release. You are then promising to be to court on all of your court dates. You'll also see pretrial services for supervision, and you will have an electronic ankle monitor installed. You also must comply with the standard conditions and restrictions of release from custody. In addition, you are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime. You're not to initiate contact with any alleged victims, complainants, or witnesses, or have any physical contact with any alleged victims. You're also not to possess any weapons. You must surrender all passports at your next court date. You also must obey the terms of any order of protection or injunction against harassment that has been issued or which may be issued, and you may have no contact with the deceased victim's family or legal representatives. Mr. Tweed, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
And Ms. Valenzuela, does the state have anything further?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Valenzuela. Thank you, Mr. Tweed. Sir, the other way, please.